contestant, we have Ultimate Beast Gohan from Dragon Ball Super.
Nawala. Nawala.
Contestant number 6, we have Kat Cotter, cosplaying as Himeno from Chainsaw Man. Number 6, Kat Cotter, cosplaying as Himeno from Chainsaw Man. Please proceed to the stage. Moving on to contestant number 7, Utahime, cosplaying as Utahime from Jujutsu Kaisen. Okay, please proceed to the stage. Yeah. Okay, we have now Kat Cotter cosplaying as Mino from Chainsaw Man. We'd like to call on Utahime one more time. Contestant number 7. Moving on to contestant number. Nagustuhan niyo ba yung first batch ng Blitzwalk contestants natin? Nagustuhan niyo ba? Please don't forget to cheer for your favorite cosplayer. So that's not all. We also have a second batch of our Blitzwalk competition. So now,
iwawak. For our seventh winner, we have maraming nag-cheer dito. Yes! Rinig ko to. Sino? Ano yun? Sino? Congratulations! Chachi!
Nila may request.
Okay, picture mo.
Dani.
Alright, next contestant we have Star Butterfly. She's the only Star Butterfly here. Ayun na siya sa may gilid. Please come up on stage to claim your prize. Dito po, sa harap. Okay, photo op.
Ano sinasabi ko?
Ayan, one last winner. Marami pa dito. Grabe ka naman. May apat pa tayo. Apat pa ka lang. Grabe ka naman. For our next winner, I actually like this one. We have Grover. Ang dami rin yung friends sa crowd. Dapat lang, deserve. Sigaw naman yung mga friends ni Grover. Ayun. Picture po. 2 winners po for the Blitz Walk category. Ayan, ready na po kayo mag-aakyat. Okay. Congratulations! Hello, Master Chief! Dito po sa gitna. Congrats! Okay. Last but not the least. Ayan, last winner na. No joke na talaga to, guys. Last crowd favorite din to eh. Yes. Last winner. Crowd favorite. Layard Sky Spider-Man! Multitasking din siya eh. Deadpool na Spider-Man siya. Ayun, Spider-Pool. Okay, now we have our group picture po. Lahat po ng winners, please come forward. Tapos compress po tayo. Ayan. You guys can crouch down. Stay in the front. Si Chloe nasa kanila. Okay. Okay, picture po tayo. It was your best pose. Congrats once again to our Blitz Walk contestants. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and congratulations. Let's go.
Ready na ba kayo? Our next guest. This won't be a talk, this won't be a game, but this will be a performance. Gusto nyo ba yun? Gusto nyo ba ng performance? Mahal na ba kayo? Are you ready to be entertained? Alright, here with us are 3 faces of the dance group.
Bigla ka.
Alright. Hello, my name is Sol. I am the leader of
Hi, my name is Nikan and I'm the vice captain of SIG.
Hello, my name is Kate and I'm the youngest and visual. Okay, thank you so much, girls. Thank you so much. Is yours. Okay, let's introduce ourselves one more time. In sync. Hello, we are SIG. Hi everyone, we are a 5-member K-pop dance cover group consisting of cosplayers. We made our debut back in March of this year and now we are back with our second guest performance. At mapapansin nyo naman na kulang kami.
We're originally a 5-member group, kaso 2 of our members members weren't able to come today because of schedule conflicts. So one of our members is actually having a competition tomorrow, so please wish them luck. Please expect them in future performances because we're gonna come back as 5 members again.
Tomorrow we will have 6 songs, and to me that is a very, very big improvement compared to our past performances with only 2 songs, 2 and 1 song. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed what we prepared for you today. So but before we start our performance, we actually have a little game for you guys. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will do a dance move, and we want you guys to guess which dance it is from. So ayun yung ipe-perform natin for today. So ayun. Okay. Okay. For our first song, Kate, take the lead. 1, 2, 3.
Sino yan? Yung naka-red. Yes.
Maniac Lady.
Correct.
Name your prize.
Bawal tumingin. As you can see, for every song that you guess right, makakuha kayo ng random prize from us. So, abangan niyo yung next songs. Our next song, as stated, is Maniac by Liz.
She was just
Wag.
I did it.
Nina, harap ka dito.
It's mania, mania, mania.
신경 꺼냈어 다른 걸 넌 원했지 그 넛을 담아줘도 궁금했어 아픔이 흔들려 Can't wait till I get them 같이 인생은 late down Can't wait till I shoot them 너희들이 복잡한 내 뻔
Again, thank you to Cosmos for making this a very memorable convention for all of us, actually. And of course, to our managers who made this happen, kasi bigla ko nalang may message si Bobby a few days before. Bobby, can you go pick cake, please? Anong cake na gusto ni cake?
Kaya pala nagtatanong kung dalawa ng cake.
Okay, can you please get the cake? Ano, gusto mo nang kainin? So,
Hawk Tua! Hawk! Hawk Tua! Hawk! Picture po.
Yeah, sure. Hello! Taas na sila.
Hawk Tua!